In today's video, I am going to give you a glimpse of Sirao Garden at night in Cebu City, Philippines. This is the entrance of Sirao Garden. The entrance fee is 70 pesos per person. Sirao Garden is a paradise for all garden lovers. Aside from flowers, Sirao Garden also offers breathtaking views of the surrounding mountains and cityscape. Sirao Garden is 8,000 square meter and they have a lot of species of flowers, and the highlight of this garden is Celoria flower, which blooms in the month of October. In Sirao Garden, you can experience the Amsterdam vibes in Cebu City. Sirao Garden is located on the Cebu City Heights along the picturesque rural landscape of Busay. Sirao Garden is another type of Cebu flower garden with a little Amsterdam theme, and there are plenty of Instagram pictures. Sirao Garden started when a couple planted flowering plants to be harvested and sold on All Souls Day. They noticed that their garden is attracting visitors, so they decided not to cut them at all. Since tulips and hyacinths are hard to grow in a hot climate, celosia flower are grown in Sirao Flower Farm instead. These flowers are as colorful and attractive as the tulips. Aside from celosias, flowers like sunflower, chrysanthemum, daisy, and aster are among the flowers that are planted here. To get to Sirao Garden from any point in Cebu, ride a cab or jeepney going to GY in Lahog, Cebu City. In GY, there are lots of motorcycles for hire, or called habal-habal, that conducts regular trips going to the flower farm. A taxi ride is also an option, but it is way more expensive than the motorcycles. The best time to come here in Sirao Garden obviously is when the sun is up. A perfect angle of pictures are best taken during a sunny day. Weather checking is a must before heading here. Roads are slippery when it's raining, making it unsafe to travel here. Gabi na talaga, madilim na siya, wala nang makikita, wala pang ilaw, kaya wag kang pupunta dito kung malapit nang lumubog ang araw, kasi sayang lang yung bayad ng entrance fee, wala ka nang makikita. First time ko pumunta dito pero hindi ko masasabi kung nagustuhan ko siya or hindi kasi madilim nang nakarating dito kaya di na masyadong nakita ang kagandahan ng lugar. Ganon pa man ay okay lang sa akin kasi nilibre lang naman ako ng kaibigan ko. Siya yung nagbayad ng entrance kaya magrereklamo pa ba ako kung wala akong nakita kasi madilim na? Gayunpaman ay nagpapasalamat ako ng marami sa kaibigan ko at sa kanyang pamilya na nag-effort na ipasyal ako dito sa lugar na ito kasi hindi pa ako nakapunta dito. Kaya kahit gabi na kami nakarating dito ay sobrang appreciate ko yung effort nila na ipasyal ako dito kasi nga hindi pa ako nakapunta dito. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to get updates for a new video.